Hi, I'm Randy Reed, editor of Designing Lighting Magazine, and we are here at LightFair 2025 in Las Vegas. I'm joined today by Max Becker of American Lighting. Max, welcome.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Now, tell our audience a little bit about what you're showing here.
Sure. So today we obviously have a lot going on. It's LightFair, so we brought a little bit of everything. But the big thing that we're showing off is a lot of our cool new dynamic pixel sort of products, where you can do something kind of like what you see here with the really advanced sort of design applications.
Okay, so tell our audience a little bit about what this is, what we're looking at.
Sure. So this one in particular is a dynamic pixel high density canvas sheet. So we just have it behind an acrylic wall here, so you're not seeing the actual diodes, but it is just a canvas sheet with the diodes imprinted on it. Each one's individually addressable and RGB. So with proper programming, you can do what you see here and a whole lot more.
Okay, excellent. Okay, Max, what are we looking at here?
So this is sort of similar to what you saw before. This is our Pixel COB tape. So it actually has a diffuser running over top that you see if you get a little bit closer here. But they have individual segments on this tape light. So you can do some really cool chasing effects, which you'll see pop in a moment here. But then also your standard sort of color fades and strobes and things of that nature.
Okay, and what do you call this tape?
We call this our Pixel COB.
Pixel COB, yeah. And it's on the market and available now.
It is, yes. So we have it in the color changing. This is RGBW, you're seeing the white. We also have it in just the static white if you just want to do sort of the effects that you're seeing right now.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so Max, I recognize Union Station because we wrote about this in LM&M.
You did?
And it was even on the cover. Tell our audience a little bit about the product you're showing here.
Sure. So you see the Reflekt here, and this is an image of the install that we did for the cover you just mentioned. So what we have here is a dual head. This is our RGBW, so really high output. We're close to 4,500 lumens with the color changing. So you can do these really long tossing effects, 60, 70 feet. You could do this with a direct DMX connection, or we have a wireless transceiver as well if you want a little bit of mobile control.
Okay, excellent. Max, congratulations on some great products.
Thank you.